眼鏡將於起飛前啟動，即將開始登機，多謝合作。從座位右邊拉出安全帶，扣入左邊卡位，並向行近嘅飛行人員舉手確認你嘅安全裝置已經扣緊。為確保安全，飛行途中請坐好，保持安全裝置緊扣，並看管好同行嘅小朋友。
Please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. All carry-on items must be safely stowed beneath your seats. Storage bins are located under every...
You are cleared for takeoff.
歡迎各位，今日嘅旅程，我哋將會飛到去全新嘅香港士達大樓。修復擋風玻璃，啟動燃反應能源器。
Stand by. The launch door has malfunctioned.
發射門貼住咗發射站中嘅光帶。打爛咗打開，唔好意思。
What's up, buddy? I'm busy here at the expo, hanging with my people.
是啦，先生，Hydra 想偷走大陸嘅燃反應能源器。
Okay, fine. Wait. What? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
收到，即刻發佈報警證。
I know. Hydra can't get the arc reactor. Get out of here. Nice work. Let's get you back to the expo. All robots destroyed? I am really... Go! I thought Ultron was tough. Okay, we need to take this thing out. Jarvis, how are we going to take this thing out? More firepower? Time to unwrap the toys. Ladies and gentlemen, the Air Force has arrived. Let's go. Stay close to me. I'll keep you safe. Okay, fire! You found its weakness? Well, shoot that! Jarvis, those aren't just guests, they're heroes. Thank you so much. Yeah, your power's failing. Shoot me the grappling cables. Okay, now let's get all of you back to the expo. Don't worry, Jarvis, I got you. Sort of. Yeah, okay, good. We're almost there, buddy. reactor. I couldn't have done it without you. Got it? No, dummy. Don't even. Yeah, okay, that's it. I'm turning you into a coin press machine. Hey, Wendy!
請帶齊你嘅隨身物品，喺右手邊離開，多謝。
Please retrieve your belongings and exit to your right. 请带齐您的随身物品，并从右侧离开。